If you want to get best hair accessories according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Diane Large Hair Clips. The Diane Large Hair Clips are an absolute game changer for anyone with long or thick hair. As someone who constantly struggles to keep my hair out of my face, I can confidently say that these clips have become an essential part of my daily routine. First and foremost, the size of these clips is perfect. They are larger than your average hair clip, allowing them to hold a significant amount of hair in place. Whether I'm working out at the gym, running errands, or simply lounging around at home, these clips keep my hair secure and prevent it from falling loose. The design of the Diane Large Hair Clips is simple yet effective. The spring-loaded mechanism ensures a tight grip without causing any discomfort. I appreciate that the clips have a smooth surface, which prevents them from snagging or damaging my hair. They are also incredibly lightweight, so I don't feel any heaviness or strain when I wear them for extended periods. Durability is another standout feature of these hair clips. Despite regular use and occasional accidental drops, they have shown no signs of wear and tear. The high-quality materials used in their construction make them long-lasting and reliable. Additionally, the Diane Large Hair Clips are versatile in their usage. They can be used to create various hairstyles, from simple half-up styles to more intricate updos. The sleek black color complements any hair color or outfit, making them suitable for any occasion. In conclusion, the Diane Large Hair Clips are a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable and functional hair accessory. They hold hair securely, are durable, and offer versatility in styling. I highly recommend these clips to anyone looking for a practical solution to keep their hair in place with style and comfort. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Scunci Multicolor Hair Ties. The Scunci Multicolor Hair Ties are a must-have accessory for anyone with long hair. As someone who is constantly on the go, these hair ties have become my go-to option for keeping my hair secure and stylish throughout the day. One of the standout features of these hair ties is their vibrant and eye-catching colors. The pack includes a variety of shades, allowing me to match them with different outfits or create fun and playful looks. The colors also don't fade or bleed, even after multiple uses and washes, which is a huge plus. The Scunci Multicolor Hair Ties are incredibly stretchy and flexible, making them suitable for all hair types and thicknesses. They have a strong yet gentle grip, which ensures that my hair stays in place without causing any breakage or damage. I appreciate that they are also easy to remove, without pulling or snagging my hair. Durability is another area where these hair ties excel. I have been using them for months, and they still retain their elasticity and shape. They don't stretch out or become loose over time, which is a common issue with many other hair ties. This durability makes them a cost-effective choice, as I don't have to constantly replace them. Another great feature is their versatility. The Scunci Multicolor Hair Ties can be used for various hairstyles, including ponytails, braids, buns, and more. They provide a secure hold that lasts throughout the day, even during activities or workouts. Overall, I highly recommend the Scunci Multicolor Hair Ties to anyone in need of reliable and stylish hair accessories. With their vibrant colors, durability, and versatility, they offer excellent value for the price. These hair ties have become an essential part of my daily hair routine, and I can't imagine going without them. The number 3 position is held by BabylissPRO Spray Bottle. The BabylissPRO Spray Bottle is a game changer when it comes to hair styling and maintenance. As someone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles and techniques, this spray bottle has quickly become an essential tool in my collection. First and foremost, the design of the BabylissPRO Spray Bottle is sleek and ergonomic. The bottle is lightweight and easy to hold, allowing for precise control and effortless spraying. The trigger mechanism is smooth and responsive, ensuring that I can evenly distribute the desired amount of water or product onto my hair. One of the standout features of this spray bottle is its fine mist spray. The nozzle dispenses a delicate and consistent mist, which is ideal for evenly dampening the hair without saturating it. This is particularly important when styling or refreshing curls, as it helps to revive and define them without causing frizz or overwetting. The BabylissPRO spray bottle is also incredibly versatile. It can be used with water for refreshing and moisturizing the hair, or with various styling products such as leave-in conditioners, detanglers, or setting sprays. The spray bottle evenly distributes the product, ensuring that it reaches all the desired areas without any clumps or uneven application. Durability is another notable aspect of this spray bottle. It is made from high-quality materials that are resistant to leaks or cracks. I have been using it for months, and it still performs flawlessly without any signs of wear and tear. Cleaning and refilling the bottle is a breeze as well. The wide opening allows for easy pouring of liquids and facilitates thorough cleaning to prevent product buildup or residue. In conclusion, the BabylissPRO spray bottle is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants precise and controlled application of water or hair products. Its sleek design, fine mist spray, versatility, and durability make it a top choice among hair enthusiasts. I highly recommend this spray bottle for achieving professional-looking hairstyles with ease and convenience. Next at number 4 we have Goody Elastic Hair Tie. The Goody Elastic Hair Ties are a staple in my hair accessory collection. These hair ties have proven to be reliable, durable, and versatile, making them a go-to choice for everyday styling. First and foremost, the strength and elasticity of the Goody Elastic Hair Ties are exceptional. They hold hair securely in place without slipping or causing discomfort. Whether I'm creating a tight ponytail or a loose bun, these hair ties provide a secure hold that lasts throughout the day. Even with thick or heavy hair, they maintain their shape and elasticity, which is a huge plus. The durability of these hair ties is impressive. I've been using them for an extended period, and they have shown no signs of stretching out or breaking. They retain their elasticity even after multiple uses, making them a cost-effective option in the long run. I no longer find myself constantly replacing hair ties due to wear and tear. The Goody Elastic Hair Ties are also versatile in their usage. They can be wrapped around the hair multiple times for a secure hold or used to create various hairstyles such as braids or updos. The black color is classic and complements any hair color or style, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Another notable feature is that these hair ties are gentle on the hair. They don't snag, pull, or cause breakage when removing them, which is essential for maintaining healthy hair. They are also easy to put on and take off, saving time and effort during styling. Overall, the Goody Elastic Hair Ties are a reliable and durable option for anyone in need of a functional hair accessory. With their excellent elasticity, versatility, and gentle hold, they provide the necessary support for various hairstyles. I highly recommend these hair ties for everyday use and achieving hassle-free and secure hairstyles. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Revlon Hot Air Kit. The Revlon Hot Air Kit has completely transformed my hair styling routine. As someone with fine and straight hair, I've always struggled to achieve volume and bounce. However, this hot air kit has become my secret weapon for effortlessly achieving salon-worthy results at home. First and foremost, the design of the Revlon Hot Air Kit is intuitive and user-friendly. The kit includes a brush attachment with bristles that glide smoothly through the hair, while the hot air adds lift and body. The barrel size is perfect for creating medium-sized curls or adding volume to the roots. The handle is comfortable to hold, and the buttons are conveniently placed for easy temperature and speed adjustments. The performance of this hot air kit is exceptional. The heat is evenly distributed, preventing any hot spots or damage to the hair. The brush attachment rotates, allowing for effortless styling and creating natural-looking waves or curls. I appreciate that it has multiple heat and speed settings, catering to different hair types and preferences. The Cool Shot button is a great feature for setting the style in place and adding shine. One of the standout features of the Revlon Hot Air Kit is its ability to add volume and lift to the hair. It creates beautiful body and fullness, making my hair look thicker and more voluminous. I no longer need to spend hours teasing and using multiple products to achieve the desired height and bounce. Another great advantage of this hot air kit is its time-saving capabilities. The hot air dries and styles the hair simultaneously, cutting down on styling time. I can achieve a salon-worthy look in a fraction of the time it used to take me with traditional styling tools. In conclusion, the Revlon Hot Air Kit is a game-changer for anyone looking to add volume, bounce, and effortless style to their hair. With its user-friendly design, excellent performance, and time-saving benefits, it has become an essential tool in my hair care row.